Okay guys, I am going to record for you today what you need to be doing for your first chapter Fridays. Now some things are going to look a little bit different for you because I do not have a student Canvas, but I do have my Canvas app. So here's my Canvas app. Here's our first chapter Friday for today. It is due today. And here are your directions. For today's first chapter Friday, it should take 10 to 15 minutes. Use a timer and try and beat it. Log into Epic. Listen to the first chapter of I Survived September 11. I'm not sure that is the exact title, but we'll look at it in Epic. Go to your writer's notebook. View and present mode. That activates the links. Click on Book Talk. Then you need to escape at the top of the keyboard so you can edit the slide. I think that's a little bit different, so we'll talk about that when we get there. That is for the computer. Fill out the slide, make a copy of the slide to turn in, and then actually turn in the slide. And that's the part I'm not sure I can show you. So we're going to come out of Canvas by hitting the home button. We're going to click on Epic. I put into the search bar, I survived the attacks of September 11. And here we go. It's this one right here with the Twin Towers. And you guys are to read the first chapter. Now you see it says chapter 2. Now it says chapter 1. And that's because this is take 3 on my screen recording. After you listen to chapter 1, push the home button. You can come back to Canvas. Your writer's notebook is located right here. Launch external tool. It's worth 0 points because I had to make it an assignment to push it out onto Canvas. But it's just yours. There's no grade for it. But then now if I modify my master slides, it modifies your notebook, which is really neat. I'm going to go straight into slides, and you should also be able to go straight into slides. Up at the top, the triangle, when I click on it, it puts it into present mode, present on this device. For those of you that are on a desktop or a laptop, you would go to the top and hit view and present, and most of you should know that. Now, the iPad doesn't like me, so every time I've tried to click on Book Talk, it goes to something else instead. But I'm going to touch the orange Book Talk tab, and as you see, it took me straight to the introduction instead of the Book Talk tab. There we go, and I already started filling it in. So at the title I put, I Survived September 11th. The author's name is Lauren Tarshish. The genre is historical fiction, and then you would need to write a summary sentence. But you cannot edit in present mode. So you need to click and X out of present mode. And I guess my fingers get cold and the iPad doesn't like to recognize me. Now, unfortunately, I moved this earlier. There we go. To give it the star ratings, you select the star. Then you're going to go up to the paint can at the top in the middle and click on it. And then you can select the color. And then it fills in the stars so you can give it the star rating. Now when you're done, I'm hoping one of my tech-savvy students can tell me whether or not I can just upload one slide from a slideshow onto Canvas or not, but I do not know how to do that yet. I'm hoping that that will be something we can do. Now, I selected the slide, And now I can make a copy of the slide. And now I can go to my plus sign in the lower corner. And my presentation name in most of your classes most of the time are going to be something like your last name, First Chapter Friday, 9/11, create. Now I can just hold down clipboard, let me X out. It's not letting me X out. There it went. I didn't touch anything else. It just needed a little extra time, and I was being impatient. Now, I'm trying to come out of this, and again, I'm being a little impatient. I would want to delete the blank slide, and then I would want to go back to my Canvas, then go to my 9/11 assignment, First Chapter Friday. And I would want to turn it in here. Submission and rubric. Okay. Files at the bottom. I would need to add a file. Let's see if I have the option to go into view as a student under here. It looks like I don't. I hope that this was helpful. I know a few of the things did not appear exactly like they would appear for you. If you have questions, inbox me on Canvas. If you send me emails, a lot of times I don't check my email because I'm on Canvas all the time. I would love some feedback about ways in which I could make this better.